Are you wondering if it's time to ditch your paper planner and make the switch over to a digital calendar, but the thought leaves you totally anxious and overwhelmed? If yes, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about why 2025 is the year to make the switch. Using a paper planner can be great. But when you're trying to juggle family life and work life and tasks and everything in between, using a paper planner and writing it all out can quickly become a hassle. Forgetting it at home, missing appointments, or trying to keep track of everything on paper, those issues disappear when you switch over to a digital calendar. So why should you switch to a digital calendar? I'm going to walk you through 3 reasons right now. Reason number 1. Accessibility. With a digital calendar, you can access your calendar from any of your devices, your cell phone, your laptop, your smartwatch, iPad. I'm sure there's other Android things that I'm missing here, but you get the point. There's no more forgetting it at home or it doesn't fit in this purse. Those problems disappear. You can access it on any of your devices. The second is that it is easy to do updates and set recurring events. Need to reschedule an appointment or make an adjustment? No problem. Takes 2 seconds. No more erasing and scratching things out. Also, the recurring events, your daughter's ballet class or your weekly stand-up work meeting, easy to just have it set up for the year. With a couple clicks, you don't have to go through and write it out every Friday at 2 p.m. Much more efficient. And last but not least, you never have to worry about losing it or leaving it at home when you need it most. A digital calendar ensures that you always have your schedule with you. And not only that, with cloud syncing, it's also backed up and always up to date. So those are just a few reasons why you should make the switch to ditch the paper planner, come on over to the digital calendar side. And here's the best part. With this playlist, I am going to walk you through step by step how to set up a digital calendar. And not only are we going to talk about how to set it up, I'm going to walk you through one of the biggest pain points of using and starting to use a digital calendar. And also, we are going to talk about how to plan your week. So if you are ready to stop missing appointments, have more ease and flow with your calendar, then watch the next video in this series where we are going to be building out a calendar from scratch so you can start using it right away. Trust me, once you get the hang of using a digital calendar, you will never look back. I'll see you in the next video.